friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to off eye comfort in oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up. You have to see here many app icon. Click on the setting icon. Then you have to see here many more options. So you have to scroll down and firstly click on the display and brightness option. Then click on the eye comfort option, which is already on. If you want to off this, click on that. Click on here. In this way, eye comfort is off in your mobile phone like that. So it means that now it doesn't help you to use your mobile phone for so many hours, and now that is not comfortable to your eyes. So in this way, eye comfort is off in your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have any query regarding any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us.